What's up, guys? Welcome back to the House Bowling. Today we're playing the consequence game where we've got 20 cards over there. We're racing to 10 strikes, and every time we miss, we're pulling a consequence. You go first, please.
I'll go first? I feel like I should because this is like your home center, kinda.
What? I hope you strike. Race to 10.
Race to 10. Oh my God, it was terrible. Psych! It's a hot start. One on the board for Kelm.
If there's anything in bowling that I know for a fact, it's that if your opponent says, oh no, and then strikes, it's not good. It's not good for you.
Game. What were you just saying about the oh no thing?
I hate it when I throw it perfect like that.
Oh, it was perfect?
It was perfect. There might be no consequences for either of us.
We just throw a 10 bagger?
We both just rail off.
Sorry, guys.
Dang it.
Very convincing.
I'll 7-pin eventually. I don't know if it'd be cooler for us to throw a 20 bagger or for us to run through all 20 of these consequences that we have. Oh, that's not good. Okay, the first one was really good. That one was not as good.
2-2?
Yeah, 2-2 on some perfect shots from PBA touring professionals.
I think we should make a rule. If we throw a 3-bagger, we both have to pull a consequence card for the next shot.
Okay, 3 baggers are automatic consequences as well?
Just because, you know, we're starting off kind of hot and we're not even warmed up.
I'm loose as a goose.
Damn it. So am I. Damn it.
Ringer!
Loose as a goose got me. Consequence card. It's for my next shot. So whatever I pull here, my next shot I have to throw this. Hike. I have to hike it like a football. I am Jason Kelsey.
Is he center?
You didn't know that?
No, I didn't know. I knew he was
Come
lying.
on, they're going so viral right now because of Taylor Swift and...
Why can't you start dating Taylor Swift? I'm just saying.
Oh, my bad, dude. Let me get right on that. Yo, Taylor Swift, holler at me. She probably watches bowling videos on YouTube pretty often.
Probably. This is round 3, and this is a strike. I might not miss.
Wow, bold statement.
I gotta pull a card anyway next round. 3-bagger is a card pulled anyway, so.
Exactly. All right, hike. I'm so bad at throwing it behind my... Dude, I literally do that every time. It's not even good.
The good news is for you, I also have to pull a consequence card.
That is good news for me.
Plastic ball.
Dang, it's not even that hard.
I took a couple practice shots with the
Of course you did.
ball.
Of course you did.
We do have like the death card, which is take a lap outside the bowling alley.
And the bowling alley is huge. Come on, zombie ball, flat 10.
Oh, now that I'm warm, I threw that way too hard.
Needed that. So now that I did my consequence, I get to throw a normal shot. Oh my God, please get so lucky.
Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. No? Okay. Please be loud.
25 jumping jacks. And I put jacks with an X because I'm cool. That will be 25 jumping jacks right before my next shot so that I'm tired and fatigued, which I'm not gonna be because I'm a top tier athlete, even at 9 a.m.
Oh! Oh no, not again. Oh, ow.
I haven't done jumping jacks in so long. How do you do them? This feels wrong. It's right.
All right, go bowl, quick. All right, get that heart rate going.
Oh, I actually am breathing hard. Oh my God, my legs were dead. Psych! I felt like I was running up like this.
Jumping jacks kill your calves a little bit.
I haven't done a jumping jack since 3rd grade.
At WSU, when we had Nathan Moore coaching a little bit, we would have practice on Fridays with him. If you weren't throwing a shot, you'd have to be doing a physical activity. So it would be push-ups, sit-ups, jumping jacks, squats, lunges, and we would do it for like a half hour straight. So people would just be sweating their ass off bowling.
Need it. More bowlers should do that.
Oh yeah, baby. I don't know if you can strike with the 6-pound ball.
Of course you can. Got my legs back under me after my exercise.
4-4.
Come on, 6-pound ball. Give me a weird 5 count.
I gotta throw it slow or it's not gonna strike. It's just gonna like 7. It's a weird 7 count.
It's like a normal 7 count.
I hit the middle. I'll try and make it just for funsies, but.
Yeah, bonus footage. Psych! If I strike here, it's a 3-bagger. Then I'll get a consequence. It's pretty close.
Consequence.
I'm bowling league here.
To be fair, either way, you were pulling a card. Lap, lap. Move 10 boards.
Move 10 boards in either direction. I think we did say that you get to pick, or do I get to pick? There's only one way we can move here. They hook so much. We just have to move right.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna move a couple because I just threw a bad shot. Is that how that works, right?
100%. How's that not 10 pin?
Because when you got it, Kev. That's just the deal.
I gotta move 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have moved 10 to the right. Did I 8 pin?
No.
Oh, you got me.
Strike.
Pretty good.
I just want someone to get a lap around the building, but it not be me.
The ball, I feel like it's deflecting.
That ball, the best balls strike no matter how they go through the pins. All right, Kevin?
So, I don't even know where I stood last. I might just stay 10 right.
He's not, by the way. He's
I'm
lying.
not. I'm not. I panicked.
I still hope you go through the face.
I am. Oh, I'm so glad I moved 2. Not today.
This is a consequence regardless, so I might as well strike. Kev's at 7. I'm at 6. Of course,
like
it deflects
I said,
when I rotate it. What the?
Like I said, I knew that plaque was coming.
Oh. Okay.
15 push-ups.
Before my next shot, I gotta crank out 15. Kev wanted to do 30. 30's a lot for me.
Shout out to that 10-board move because...
Shout out to you moving another 3 here. What? He's crazy.
I'm just a crazy kind of guy. Thanks, Packy.
Yeah.
My ball rep.
Let me wipe my ball off so I can really do it immediately.
Okay, yep. Oh, yeah, sorry. Those are quality push-ups.
I need to wipe my hands off because they're sweaty. Oh my God, it feels like Jello.
It's the worst doing push-ups and then immediately throwing a shot.
Or just doing push-ups, period, is the worst. Holding this camera hurts my arms.
If I strike here, it's a consequence.
Consequence
For the
regardless.
win, though.
Consequence regardless. What is that?
All right, normal strike for you. You really need one here.
I need it bad.
Dude does 15 push-ups and falls apart.
Well, I tried to rotate a little more and move in because I thought I was going to throw it slow. And then I
moved.
did. Oppo.
Opposite hand.
What we got?
Just a very natural thing for me from deep because, you know, I'm a sharpshooter on the basketball court. I might as well be a sharpshooter on the bowling lanes. By the way, from deep is from the back of the approach.
Oh, so you're just getting a practice shot in? Okay.
Oh, yeah, because that counts. I lost the 220 bowler doing this, and he threw it onto the lane. I will still not be doing that.
For the win?
I didn't think I was going to strike. That's not even a cool way to end it anyways.
Are we having to end it on a mystery strike?
You have to end it on a consequence.
That could be fun.
All right. But I'm at 9, so I just have to keep pulling consequences.
Fun.
Really just set myself up for failure there.
I need a strike. I need it. I need it. Seven.
That is your hit.
I never trip 6s.
Next consequence card. 10
Oh.
pound, which we have to go grab because we didn't grab one.
This could be a strike easily.
How do you do this with a lightweight ball? You probably got to hook it still. Oh my God, I aced that. 100% it was 10-pound bowling ball.
I'm gonna move again, obviously, because I clearly should have. Clearly missed that move. What's your next challenge, big dog?
Oh yeah, that's
I
right.
hope it's barefoot.
Oh no, not the grippers. Wrong fingies. So I can't use these guys. We're using these. I can't physically do that, like it hurts. So we're just going Just going index finger.
It's an illegal release, not
23rd
using every
finger.
hole.
All right, fine. You know what? I'll do it.
Please don't break yourself. Don't strike.
Yes! That hurts so bad.
How are you ending it on a brookie?
Do you want me to get a rebuttal?
If you're willing to like
I'll do it
forfeit the win.
I'll do it for the sake of content because I know I'm gonna strike this time. Did you see the ball roll on that? It was like.
I think you could just make it for the win.
Uh-oh. I'm so good at keeping them on the lane and never hitting any pins. Like, it's so good at that. I feel no Brooklyn's. It's got to be a strike.
Okay, that's fair.
It's only a gentleman's agreement. 6-pinned.
What'd you say?
You 6-pinned?
All right.
The late 8-pin.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Super high flush, late 8-pin.
I'll take it.
Here's mine.
Please be a lap.
No second hand. That's not great. Yeah, and I can't throw like one-handed with my thumb in. Please be a take a lap. Tell me it's take a lap.
No hands.
I've like never done this before.
Tom Dor. Oh, that's pretty good. You're right though. You threw that slow.
Yeah, I don't know how to do. I almost threw that backwards. Oh, he got the ramp. Wrong choice.
I'm pushing this down the ramp with my booty cheeks.
Oh, you've done this before because you've got it set up on like 32.
I don't really know.
I just want to say, guys, in the comments, I think this is already an illegal throw because he's using his hands to put it on the rack.
Fine.
Oh, he's kicking it.
I used to play soccer. It's not showing.
Meemaw. Take a lap. Lap them bare feet on this approach. I'm not good
At the grand?
Not good at grand. You gotta hook it though, right? Like you gotta try to get some angle.
I put my fingers in it and give them a little.
Oh my God, I hammered on it. I didn't mean to like super hook it. It just kind of naturally worked out that way.
Shout out to my Dexter Sidewinders. You can put this on only feet. I was so afraid that I would try and plant and rip my toenails off my feet.
I'm glad you got that, not me, because I got ugly feet. I have to strike here because the next one I can just see it.
Yeah, pull in for me.
So he has to do a ball change, whoopity-doo. I have to throw a backup ball, so I need to strike here. And then the last one is take a lap around the bowling alley.
Okay, one of us better strike.
Brooklyn's definitely count. Dude gets a ball change, and I get the backup ball for this.
I like this ball, but they hook a lot.
Now you gotta shuffle the deck, because as much as you guys would love to see us just take a lap, this is just how it worked out. We had an odd number of cards apparently. So whatever we pull here, we're gonna do until one of us strikes. And we did shuffle. My foot slipped. My feet are sweaty, my foot slipped.
Once again, here we go.
Ew, dude, I hate that feeling. Let's slide. There's a chance, baby. Count it! Cool, dude. Dude aces it with his freaking grippers on the approach.
Someone's gonna strike.
Dude, I just gave it all I had.
I mean, you're definitely gonna strike before me. I'll give you one chance to rebuttal while I'm making snow angels with my feet out in the bowling alley.
It's been fun, it's been real, but it hasn't been real fun. We'll see you guys next time with our shoes on the whole video. Stop, don't.